They said we can get paid from playing games on our phone. Let's see if this is true. I gotta find out if it's cap or if it's real. Let's go. Okay, people, so the website is called freecash.com. Okay, so when you get here to the website, they're showing you some examples of stuff you could download. They claim they have the average time until a user makes money is 17 minutes, bro. They're saying that it's a $38 average that you get. Over $50 million have been earned from cash. So it's giving us a sign of some of the places and some of the offers that they have. So you see, step 2 is complete the offer. Step 3 is get paid. These are the best ways to earn. So it says you play games, you earn $1 to $120 per game. You can complete offers. That means you get to know companies by trying different apps. And they say you can earn money, surveys, all these different things, right? And one of the things I noticed about it is that, look, it's on 5 stars on Trustpilot. So we got to see if this is cap or not. Once you sign up, you get a sound like that, let you know there's some money in your account. So they start you off with 20 cents. I don't know where they're getting the capital from, but they must be getting a lot of viewers and attention on this website and a lot of traffic. So they showing you right here that you start off with 20 cents and we got 3 offers available, okay? 3 offers available. It's saying Monopoly Go up to $583.08. See Conquest, you can earn up to $750. And then they got Call of Dragons iOS. So look, when you start to sign up and you go through the process, they're going to let you push through your information. So if you could see if you're a Mac user or for whatever reason you have an Android, we forgive you. Now, we're going to pick one of these things. It says you can play and earn. And I want to show you I'm on the phone doing this as well, too. So you'll see a screen recording also pop up on the screen. So you can follow along and do this on mobile or you can do it on desktop. So we'll show you both ways. So when you do this on desktop, this is what pops up. You see it says Monopoly Go. Have you installed this before? I'm going to say no. And then if you install it, you get $5 automatically. So let's press install. Oh, but guess what? You can only do it if you scan the QR code with your phone, okay? So the game is Monopoly Go. So now that we're here on our mobile device, let's pull that up on the screen. Oh, and if you like today's video, make sure you click the description because I'll have all the links to everything you need below, so don't trip. I love you. Like the video, subscribe. Back to it. Okay, so look, my face is bigger. But now when we click our screen, we press the same questions. Have you installed this before? We press no. Install and get $5. So I press install, and as y'all see, it pops up right here on the screen. And you want to make sure that it does not say that you downloaded it before. You want to make sure it's just blue and it says get. So we'll go ahead and download this, and we'll come back once the game has been downloaded. Never mind, it was quick as hell. So now we press open. So now if we go to our thing here, we want allow notifications. We'll just press allow just for right now, just so that way everything goes copacetic and goes according to plan. So put your age. I'm 63. I agree. Allow. All right. So now it's saying that it's more fun if you play with friends. You can sign in with Apple. I'm just going to go to play as guest. Play as guest. They want you to sign in your other platforms, by the way. Damn. So the game is HD. I don't play games on my phone, but this is super HD. It looks fire. And there's sound on this as well too. You just have to enable your sound. I don't have my sound enabled. We don't need no copyright. So blah blah blah. Let's just skip ahead because this is what most of y'all going to do anyway. You just want to click so you can go to the next thing. But I will say, bro, they improved iPhone games a lot. This game looks crazy. So let's just follow these prompts. And I'll probably end up speeding this up so it's going at 1 or 2x the speed so y'all don't have to sit and be bored. Just pressing next. Okay. Let's press go. A fine choice. Now let's roll. Boom, look at the dice. Bro, this is kind of crazy. This game is kind of fire looking with the graphics. And if you like Monopoly, you got kids, maybe you in high school. A lot of y'all that follow my content is still in school. Y'all in college. Bro, this is fire. It really don't matter what age you are, you can enjoy this game. Boom. So look at the animations, gang. We're billionaires now. Okay. So I don't know how long you have to play this game, okay? Let me go read some of the specifics of what I need to do. So the rules say here, get 14 cents every time you open and play Monopoly Go. Come back as often as you like. Look at this. So we'll do a few more prompts. I'll just press this thing real fast, just to complete out the task. Okay, so now I actually collected some cheese. Got 720 on the game. Bro, I might have to come back and play this in my free time. Okay, so let's exit the app. So we exit the application. Let's close it. And let's go back to the website and let's see what happens. If we press open, let's just see if we can get a couple more credits real quick. Let it open again. Okay, it starts me back from the same spot. Okay, so let's go back to the website and let's see if it actually gave us some money. Did it actually count? Oh shit, $5.20, bro. What? So y'all see the total says 520, win up to $10 per day and up to $1,000 every 7 days. So keep your daily streak. I'm going to claim the case. So this is some of the stuff that the case includes, bro. They got 10 cents, 5 cents, 3 cents, 1 cent, 50 cents, or 10 cash. Let's go to open case. Come on, baby, give me that 10. We got 10 cents. We got 10 cents. So just like that, we got 10 cents. Let's close. Okay, so what does it say here? Set your streak goal. Let's do 7 days. Commit to earning daily. So right now, we have a total of $5.30. So I don't see the credits for where it just gave me for my Monopoly though. You see what I'm saying? I need to see where are my Monopoly credits. When does it give me the payout for that? So you go to view rewards. Okay, y'all. So what I did was I went to the desktop and I pressed just check your rewards. You can do the same thing on mobile. And when you press that, it's going to tell you here's how you can add it to your home screen. So if you want to use Freecash, you can literally add this to your home screen. You will go to your settings. Let's show you together. Let's do it. So if you want to add it to your home screen, you press this little arrow at the bottom, right? Okay. Boom. Now, when you press that, you're going to go to add to home screen. When you press the little 3 dots, you go to add to home screen. And when you add it to your home screen, you title it whatever you want. We want Freecash. And it's going to have a toggle if you have an iPhone because you're smart. It opens as a web app. So you press add. And just like that on your home screen, you got the Freecash app. But let's get past that. Let's see if the cheese went into our, so you can put your phone number, all that stuff, blah, blah, blah. Let's skip right now. You can get text messages, but I just want to, oh, hey, you, by the way, if you're watching this video, you can get $5 towards your account. Yeah, I said it. If you click below in the description, $5 is going to go to you. They usually give you 10 to 20 cents to start, but because you got in with the session, they're going to give you $5 towards your account. But you got to click right now while the offer lasts, bro. I don't know how long it should go last, but back to the video. Do we have rewards? So we have rewards. So when we go up here, let's turn our phone off real quick. So you can do all this on the mobile as well, but I want to show you on the screen here because it's a big display. Okay, so when we go to rewards, we got invite friends. There's a reward, and we got quests. So let's go to quests. Oh, shit, okay. So make a purchase to get access to exclusive perks. So these are different things you can do. You can invite your friends. You get $12.50. You can make an in-app purchase. They're going to give you some coins and stuff there. This is crazy. You can install 2 apps and use them for 2 minutes. Oh, I got to use the game for 2 minutes, y'all. That's why. I got to use it for 2 minutes, y'all. We got more gameplay to do. All right, people. So I found out how you actually gonna get paid. And by the way, this game is addicting. I fucked around and got properties, and I'm gonna keep playing that. But anyway, when you go here, you see you can earn 50 cents in 4 minutes. You can install 2 apps, et cetera, et cetera. But look at this. These are the rewards. So let me just move my little circle out the way. Okay. So you see here's some main rewards. In 7 hours, you can get $22 for reaching the gold wheel. You can win $47, $86, and that's just for getting on the leaderboard or something. So if you play this game and you start doing better, if you reach different rankings in the game, you're going to get paid out. They have a lot of rewards where they have a weekly lottery. You press view and look at this. Okay, they show you the winners. They show you first place, second place, third place, fourth through 10th place gets $700. So bro, it's all types of different ways to enter. They got the previous winners. So you can see the names of these people. They have pictures. And then here's other ways you want to get paid every single day. So look, when you come back and play, you get 14 cents per session. So look at, there's a little caveat. So when you press the little bubble, it says today only, earn fast with any game. Get 14 cents every time you open and play any offer. Come back as often as you like and earn up to $20. So the task is available only for 24 hours. So if you was to sit here and download all the other games and you close them, you open it up, close it, open it up, and you start to reach of their offers, you're going to get paid. And these are the amounts you're going to get paid. So 14 cents every time you open it. You play for 2 minutes straight, you'll get an extra penny. You play on 20 different days. You play, look at the incentives they have. So every day you can get paid in different ways. And these are the burning rewards. So 90 days, they show you how much time you have left. So within the next 90 days, you can get paid all of these different amounts, bro. This is fire. So let's click our little checkout cart. You feel me? Let's say we want to check out. Now, all you got to do is redeem your free cash. You can get it sent right to your PayPal, your Amazon, Bitcoin, whatever. Now, you can also get paid extra because Stake is involved, bro. Stake, y'all know how you see people do the reactions. They got that big-ass logo in it. Stake right here is going to give you a $30 bonus. So it says free $30, $25 stake.us plus $5 from Freecash. So they both giving you a gift if you create an account here and you claim the withdrawal through Stake. So if you get the withdrawal paid out through your stake account, they're going to give you free $25, and then Freecash is going to give you an additional $5. So this is fire, bro. This is super dope, and don't worry because it's worldwide. As you see, they got crypto, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Solana, all the different popular cards. They got Amazon. Even if you got PayPal, I use PayPal. They got Apple up here, my nigga. Stake. Everything you need is right here. So this is Freecash. I think this is fire. I'm kind of addicted to this Monopoly game right now because I'm letting it represent my real life. I want a bunch of properties and I'm gonna be rich. You hear me? So let me know what y'all think about it. Click below in the description. I'll have the link to this so you can use this and start running them up. And again, if you want to use this, I'm giving you $5 towards it. So what they've said, Freecash said they're going to give anybody who clicks the link in the description $5 on your account, bro. So you usually get 20 cents, but now you get $5. This is for you. Let me know what you think of it, bro. Let me know what y'all think of that Monopoly game too, because to me it's fire. And if you want me to check back in about a week and see how much money I made on these games, let me see. Let's get 500 likes on this video. We get 500 likes on this video, I'll tap back in next week, see how much money I earned. But as you see, $5.30 is waiting to be withdrawn from my account, but I'm going to play some more and see how much we can get it to. I love you. Stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did it.